Air Superiority Fighter. Air Superiority Fighters are designed primarily to control the skies and defeat enemy aircraft. Their main mission is to engage and destroy opposing fighters before they can threaten friendly forces. These aircraft often emphasize speed, agility, powerful radar systems, and advanced air-to-air missiles. Classic examples include aircraft like the F-15 Eagle, which was built during the Cold War specifically to dominate aerial combat. By securing air superiority, these fighters allow other aircraft and ground forces to operate with far less risk from enemy air power. Multirole Fighter. Multirole fighters are built to perform several different missions using the same aircraft. They can switch between air-to-air combat and ground attack roles depending on the needs of the mission. This flexibility became increasingly important as military budgets and logistics demanded more versatile aircraft. Fighters such as the F-16 and Rafale represent this category well. A multirole fighter might patrol the skies one moment and then strike ground targets the next, making it one of the most widely used types of fighter jet in modern air forces. Interceptor Fighter. Interceptor fighters are designed to rapidly climb and reach enemy aircraft before they approach protected areas. Their role became especially important during the Cold War when long-range bombers posed a major threat. Interceptors focus on speed, altitude performance, and powerful radar systems capable of detecting targets from long distances. Aircraft like the MiG-25 were built to reach extremely high speeds in order to intercept intruding aircraft quickly. Their job is less about maneuvering in dogfights and more about reaching and stopping incoming threats as fast as possible. Strike Fighter. Strike fighters specialize in attacking ground targets while still maintaining the ability to defend themselves in the air. These aircraft carry bombs, guided missiles, and other precision weapons used against infrastructure, vehicles, or fortified positions. At the same time, they retain air-to-air capabilities if enemy fighters appear. Aircraft like the F-15E Strike Eagle illustrate this balance. Strike fighters allow air forces to conduct powerful ground attacks without relying entirely on dedicated bomber aircraft. Stealth Fighter. Stealth fighters are designed to reduce their visibility to radar and other detection systems. Their shapes, materials, and internal weapon bays are carefully engineered to minimize radar reflections. Aircraft such as the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II represent this modern generation of fighters. By remaining difficult to detect, stealth fighters can approach enemy defenses, gather information, or strike targets before opponents even realize they are nearby. This capability has become a major focus of modern air combat technology. Carrier-based fighter. Carrier-based fighters are specially designed to operate from aircraft carriers at sea. Because carrier decks are short and constantly moving, these jets require strong landing gear, tailhooks, and wings that can often fold for storage. Aircraft like the F-18 Super Hornet were built with these challenges in mind. Operating from carriers allows nations to project air power far from their own territory. Carrier-based fighters give naval forces the ability to conduct air operations anywhere an aircraft carrier can travel. Light Fighter. Light fighters are smaller and more affordable fighter jets built for speed, maneuverability, and operational efficiency. These aircraft usually carry less fuel and fewer weapons than larger fighters, but they remain effective in many combat roles. Their lower cost allows air forces to maintain larger fleets while still performing patrol and combat missions. The Swedish JAS-39 Gripen is a modern example of a light fighter designed to be flexible and cost-effective. Many countries rely on these jets to maintain capable air defense without the expense of heavier aircraft. Heavy Fighter. Heavy fighters are larger aircraft designed to carry more fuel, weapons, and advanced equipment. Their greater size allows them to operate over longer distances and remain in the air for extended periods. Aircraft like the F-15 fall into this category. Heavy fighters often serve as long-range patrol aircraft capable of engaging multiple targets during a mission. Their endurance and payload capacity make them especially valuable for large nations that must defend wide airspaces. Fifth-generation fighter. Fifth-generation fighters represent the most advanced stage of fighter jet development so far. These aircraft combine stealth design, powerful sensors, advanced avionics, and networked communication systems. Instead of relying only on speed or maneuverability, they gather and share information across the battlefield in real time. Jets like the F-22 and F-35 can detect threats from long distances and coordinate with other aircraft or ground systems. The result is a fighter that acts not only as a weapon platform, but also as an airborne intelligence hub within modern military operations.